So hello everyone, this is Ipsi. Today I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you two sections, and basically if you are talking about a good landing page, and here should be a good banner and some trust review section, some partner section. Now it's time to make a section which like why we buy this product. So this is very an important thing, and you can say that this is will be a benefit section, or how it works, or like something that, and also a suggestion section, like why you used it, how you can use this, and some say guideline or treatment plan. So yeah, let's go with this section. Okay, so here first of all we need to add a layout, and I think let's add this layout here. Okay, fine. So now what we need to do? What I think now we need to give a valid headline. Okay. So let's take a heading here. Fine. Now we already know that we already had a header. The space is still here. Now it's time to give a proper heading, and I think this title should name like that, how this product works. Okay, so in that case, if you think that this all words are a little bit now you can add a spacing. Okay, so as we are using this spacing here, we just need to use that here, and here also need to add a spacing, so must give it here. Okay, fine, click save. Fine, now it is done. Now it's time to add how some point. So in this landing page I keep it like that, but based on your product or title it can be varied. Okay, now here you can see some three div or column. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to take a image. Okay, so why I'm taking this image? Because as this product was in 3, so I'm going to add. But if you think your product has 5 or 6 or 7 step, and then you can also add by one. Okay, and here you can see it's too big. Let's give a valid size of this image. Okay, so I think it should be, you can use it like 55 by 55 if you want. Okay, and I think it should be a middle position, so we go title style and click here middle. Fine, now we can need to give a small heading. Okay, so it should be like that. Okay, so we can use this our previous font style. Okay, but one thing, just remember, size should be like that. Now it's done. Now we need to add a paragraph, and as you're already familiar with our paragraph style and design, we just need to copy this. So I am going to copy from here. Okay, paste it here, and it should be neat and clean. Remember, when you are making a page for your ad run or something like that, it should be it should be I think 1.4 is good enough. Okay, so it should be neat and clean. No, don't make it too much content or too much images, and I think it's not helpful for you. Okay, now what you are going to do is go row and equivalent. Here you can see we already created this, and select rest of the, and here you can do one thing. Let's make it number 2. Okay, open, and let's make it number 3. Now we need to do one thing, and the thing is that we need to give our valid content here. Okay, and here on, and here. So try to use some valid title and description, and this keyword should be powerful because it will help a lot to convert. Okay, now we can do one thing. We can just add a button here. Okay, fine. So this is how this works, and this is the way. Now we just need to check our mobile, how it exactly look like in our mobile. If it's not so good, we will go for a mobile responsive. Let's see. Fine. I think this image should be uh, 50 44 by 45. Okay, let's make it 45 by 45. And one thing, I need to change font size. Our font size here you can see it's too big, need to make it 20. Okay, and then copy and paste it here. I think now it looks good. And one thing we can do now, we can do that one thing. We can add a divider. So may I just give a divider? I think divider will not appropriate here, and whether it's good if we're using a border style like that. Okay, I think now it looks much more better as we are using here to borderline. Let's see in tab mode. Okay, so in tab we also need to make it like that. And one thing, remember this size is now too big, so we need to make it 22. Copy and paste, copy and paste. And if you want, you can also make here three column. It's not too bad, but it's up to you, whatever you want to keep. And just make a proper width. I think here you can see 70. I think it should be 50. Okay, fine. And here also the same thing. I just need to make it 50. Okay, now it's time to click save. And we are just going to add another small section, and in this section we are going to give a images and a small title and some text. Okay, So let's take a layout here, and this layout should be 40 and 40. So layout padding is done. Now it's time to make a heading. Okay, our heading already done. Just copy and paste the style. Now we need to give a proper title, and title should be here. So if we're talking about a background, just click here and add this. As we already use this one, I'm not going to change this. Okay, it looks good. Now what we need to do? We are going to add a paragraph below this. Okay, just copy and paste it here, the style. And now we need to give a solid and go style and make it like middle. So you can see, I think this title, after that this text, but if you're talking about this text will be start here. When your treatment plan is done, after that you will go here. So it will not a, if you're talking about a human computer interaction, a design as a design purpose is still not a professional one. So I am going to make this 50 and 150. So it's still not looks good. 200, but 200. Okay, if you want you can also make it 250 and 250. Fine. Now what we need to do, we can also do one thing that we dedicated to matter and indicate to know effective treatment. So just highlight this text and to approach. Okay, to approach and make it little bit so it will go in front of your customer. Right. Now if it will go for laptop, it will be look like that. If we're going for tablet, it will take this size. But if we're going to mobile, it also take our this size. Wow, I think this looks much more better. Okay, also I'm sorry for that. Okay. So here you can see the padding should be 0, and our treatment background also need to be changed. Okay, so here you can see I will not like it. So it's done. Now this is our treatment plan. Here's my text. Now it's time to add an image. So as I'm here is no image, but I'll prepare if you have a good treatment plan or something that looks good, you can also use it. But I think this is good enough for anyone. Okay, so click OK. I think now it looks great. And here just need to do one thing, that you have the gap between these images and this is two together, and our whole section should be 40. Okay, and here just we can reduce a little bit. Okay, now click save. So I think this section is almost done and it looks much more better in mobile and both side. Okay, so now uh, click save. So thank you for watching this. I think we already done some of our section, banner section, review section, some treatment plan and how to use that. Now we'll go for another text section or content section. And in that section we'll add some text and content which will makes or which will help customer to understand the product. And in I think we'll need to one more video, and in the video I'll show you that. And thank you till take care, bye bye.